Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe. Today showing you around this Kia Picanto 1.0 DPi 2. Finished in stylish blue color and powered by 1-liter petrol engine delivering 66 brake horsepower through manual transmission, this compact hatch is ideal for navigating busy streets with ease. The front is defined by sleek black radiator grille with chrome surround, multi-focus reflector headlights and automatic headlight control for effortless lighting. On the side, 14-inch alloy wheels offer just the right balance of maneuverability and comfort. At the back, the high-mounted brake light, rear fog lamp, heated window and rear wiper ensure practicality is top of mind. Despite the compact size, Picanto offers surprisingly useful boot, and with 40/60 split folding rear seats, you can adapt the space for weekly shopping or a flat pack run. In the back, passengers benefit from height adjustable headrest, ISOFIX mounting points and assist grips for added comfort. There's even a handy coat hook because even your jacket deserves to ride in style. Slide into the driver's seat and enjoy height adjustment, a leather-trimmed gear knob and thoughtfully designed center console with cup holders. The leather-trimmed steering wheel features audio controls for safe, convenient access on the move. The trip computer behind offers external temperature display and tachometer to help you stay informed without cluttering the dash. The manual air conditioning keeps the cabin cool and fresh, perfect for warmer days ahead. And the infotainment system comes with audio display with RDS and DAB radio, media connectivity via USB and Bluetooth, phone connectivity for calls and music streaming, as well as controls from the steering wheel and traffic alerts to keep you ahead of the jams. This has been a presentation of the Kia Picanto 1.0 DPi 2, now available at Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.